let your beauty sing.
Hello, we're talking about ingredients today. Yes, grab your bottles, everyone. Bottles and boxes, I would say, because ingredients are always listed somewhere in really, really tiny, minute lettering, right? Now, with bottles and your boxes, etc., anything, or your tubs, etc., when you have the ingredient list, I want you to focus on the first one because your product is mainly filled with the first ingredient listed, and then it goes down the line. So the ones you see right at the bottom is going to be where the tiniest percentage of ingredient is in your product. So have a look and see what you can find. You'll also find that some of the ingredients aren't listed because government says you don't need to list them, and then you have all the original stuff, all the common things that they put into the product will be listed there for you. Be aware of your skin type. Also be aware that if you are menopausal, perimenopausal, or your skin is undergoing various treatments, you want to make sure that your product is going to be okay for you. And yeah, enjoy having a look at those ingredients and seeing what you can find out. And even type it into your search engine if you wish to find out even more about what you're utilizing or using on your skin. And I will see you in Let Your Beauty Sing, the next video. And my name's Sunita Johal. See you later. Ciao, ciao.